Welcome to the spoken tutorial on using Python modules. In this tutorial, you will learn to execute Python scripts from command line, use import in scripts, and import NumPy and matplotlib.pyplot modules. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux 16.04 operating system, Python 3.4.3, IPython 5.1.0 and gedit text editor. To practice this tutorial, you should know how to use plot interactively, embellish and save a plot. If not, see the relevant Python tutorials on this website. First, we will learn what is a module. A module is a file containing Python definitions and statements. Modules are used to break down large programs into small, manageable and organized files. Definitions from a module can be imported into other modules or to the main module. Now let us see how to run a Python script from command line. Open any text editor and type print inside brackets, inside double quotes, hello world. We have created a simple Python script to print hello world. Save this script as hello.py in the current working directory. Now let us open the terminal. Then navigate to the directory where hello.py is saved. Now type python3 hello.py and press enter. It executes the script and gives the output as hello world. From here onwards, remember to press the enter key after typing every command on the terminal. Next, we will see how to import modules and use them in Python script. Let me open the file for_plot.py in the text editor. This file is available in the code files link of this tutorial. You can download and use it. This code will plot for x minus x sin of x and x sin of x. When we run this code, we will see the final plot as shown here. Now let us run the file for_plot.py as a Python script. Type python3 for_plot.py. It gives an error, linspace is not defined. It means that function linspace is not available in the current namespace. A namespace is a system for making all the names in a program to be unique. Let us go back to the file for_plot.py. Add this line as the first line in the script. From NumPy import asterisk. When we use asterisk in imports, all the functions and constants are imported from NumPy module. Linspace is a function available in NumPy. Press Ctrl S to save the file. Now let us run the script again. Now it gave another name error, name plot is not defined. Let us edit the for_plot.py file again. Add the following as the second line in our script. From matplotlib.pyplot import asterisk. Now save the file. Plot is a function which is available in the matplotlib.pyplot. We will run the script again. We get the output now. We imported all the required modules using the keyword import. Let me close this window. We can import only functions which are required from a module as from NumPy import linspace py sin instead of from NumPy import asterisk. In the same way, we can import only required functions from matplotlib.pyplot instead of from matplotlib.pyplot import asterisk. It is always good to use function names instead of asterisk. If we use asterisk to import from a particular module, all the functions will be imported. It replaces some existing functions with the same name in the namespace. Now we will add only required functions from NumPy and matplotlib.pyplot. Let us save the file. We will run the code again in the terminal. Here we got the plots for x minus x sin of x and x sin of x in a single figure. In this method, we imported all the required functions to the current namespace. There is another way of fixing errors. Let us see that. Open the file another_fix.py. This file is also available in the code files link of this tutorial. Notice that we are going to use the name PLT instead of matplotlib.pyplot. PLT is used as alias to the module matplotlib.pyplot. Now we use numpy.py instead of just py as we did in for_plot.py. Plot functions are called as plt.plot, plt.legend, plt.annotate, plt.xlim, plt.ylim, and plt.show. The advantage is that function names in imported modules do not get added to the current namespace. In order to use a function in an imported module, we need to mention module name dot function name. Pause the video here. Try this exercise and then resume the video. Write a Python script to plot a sine wave from -2π to 2π. Open the file sine.py for the solution. This file is also available in the code files link. In the first line, we import the required functions. The functions linspace, sine, and constant pi are imported from the module NumPy. We import the functions plot, legend, show, title, xlabel, and ylabel from matplotlib.pyplot. And the rest of the code is to generate the plot. Let us run the code and see the output. In the terminal, type python3 sine.py. Now we can see our sine plot. Close the terminal. Let us move further in our topic. We can run Python scripts in IPython interpreter also. Open another terminal and start the IPython interpreter by typing ipython3. Navigate to the directory where for_plot.py is saved and type %run for_plot.py. As before, we can see the output with 4 plots. Python has a very rich standard library of modules. Some of the standard modules are: for math, math random; for internet access, urllib2 smtplib; for system and command line arguments, sys. Few more libraries: for operating system interface, OS; for regular expression, RE; for compression, gzip, zip file, tar file. For more information, refer to the below link. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we have learned to run scripts from command line, import modules by specifying the module name followed by an asterisk, import only the required functions from modules by specifying the function name, use Python standard library. Here are some self-assessment questions for you to solve. First, which among the below is the most correct? Second, how the function xlim and ylim can be imported to the current namespace. And the answers: first, the option from matplotlib.pyplot import plot is the most correct one, because plot is a function of matplotlib.pyplot module. Second, functions xlim and ylim can be imported to the current namespace as from matplotlib.pyplot import xlim, ylim. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Please post your general queries on Python in this forum. FOSSEE team coordinates the TBC project. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NMEICT, MHRD, Government of India. For more details, visit this website. This is Priya from IIT Bombay signing off. Thanks for watching.